wasn't mine to mother, wasn't mine to rear. Another dream gets washed away. Another dream, another mother's One, two, three.
Honk! You didn't really think I'd leave you behind.
Well, you must. It's your life and you belong with the swans now.
But why? I don't care if I get Kimoto. You are my mother. You raised me, and that's what counts.
Oh,
It takes all sorts to make a world. And you said it yourself. The doctor would be boring if we all look the same. So I've decided to be back, to be different.
we're both told that.
To be the first swans on the lake. I was different all my life. I was different as a duck, and I'll be just as different as a swan. I like being me. I like my home. I like being different.
Well, you